Wow. Oh my goodness. This thing's beautiful.
It has looked better in past days, let's put it that way.
Well, that's why we're here.
I drove it in there several years ago.
And was this a car that you had bought brand new, or you've owned for a long time?
I had a car just about like it before I got married, almost 50 years ago, and sold it when gas prices went crazy back in the mid-70s there.
Thank you so much for the opportunity. We're so excited to do it.
Well,
I really appreciate it.
I'm glad my daughter got a hold of you. I think in the long run, she wants this for a Christmas present someday.
So she had some alternative motive.
Yeah, I think so.
6.6 liter, 400 cubic inch V8 that had 300 horsepower back in the day. Now in 71, I know that they had some restrictions going with these cars, so this is actually down on power from previous models. And I know that this isn't the big block out of the Judge, which is a 455 high output motor. But what other differences besides that were there between the two cars? If you could let us know down below, I'd love to learn more about it.
Don't move.
What?
Look up.
This?
Do you see it?
This? Is that what we're talking about?
Careful.
I don't want to open that wall. I'm not mad. But we have some pests that have been in this car, and also the condition, as we can see, is this thing's got a lot of mildew and mold buildup.
So to clean the interior, we're going to start by taking the seats out. That way we can access a lot more, and we're going to vacuum the floors.